Alright, you guys, I don't have enough stuff to do a full video, so really quickly, I'm going to show you what I got. And I completely forgot I ordered this, by the way. So I got these makeup brush cleaning mats by Paw. These are new. And then these are the new AOA. They're the skincare organizers, but you can use them to store makeup. And they hang on the wall. I did not know that. I got 8 of these. Then I got 2 pairs of these. Cute little hoopy things. And then I got 2 of these. And I got 4 of the wall hooks to hang necklaces and stuff on. Got these to go in my hair. And then they had these, what do you call these? You know what I'm trying to say. Got 2 of these. And then some more face masks. Because COVID ain't going nowhere. What did you get in your last shopmissa order?